A drone should have dropped my magnet drill somewhere here, I think. Ah, there it is. Ah. Okay, so it has dropped it here. Well, hello guys and welcome to a new video. Let's open up the package. Before opening it up, I will say you right here in the beginning, there is a discount code 5% off. There's links in the description to that. If you're interested to buy one of these magnet drills, please go and check out. And if you click on the affiliate link, it will help my channel also a little. And yeah, so if you're interested in a magnet drill or some other machine from Vevor, go in the description and click the links and you will find those. This was well packed. Well, so here it is. So Weaver sent me this for free, and now it's up to me to show this in action and give my honest opinion how this works and what I like. So let's open up this other stuff here. I haven't had a mag drill before, so it will be really exciting to test this out. So here's the mag drill itself. Here's on and off, the magnet switch, electrical drill switch, and here you can adjust the speed of the drilling. And here's the levers that is gonna come here in this. And here you see also some vatupas. I don't know the name for that. Level, yes. And here's the drilling shock with a key and with some hex keys also. And yeah, here's also a bottle for coolant if you want to have it. I don't know how to mount that, but we will see. Let's install these levers or handles. Yeah. Okay. Here's the place for this bottle, but I won't need that now when I'm testing out this. So just unscrew those and put this here. Yeah. Here you can see the different models. Here's a hose also to that bottle. Okay, as you see, this is really stiff, so then you can adjust those there. We need an 8mm. Yeah, so this is adjustable. So by loosening up those screws, you can adjust the tightness of that. Yeah, so the chuck goes right in that hole, and then you tighten those screws. Vevor has also these drill bits that I bought along with this. Yeah, so it came almost the same day, and let's open that up. Oh, nice. So it's kind of a milling drill bit. Not a hole saw, but like some milling hole saw. Yeah. It looks really aggressive, so that's nice. Here's the chuck and here's the drill bit, and they have the same connection, and it's just to connect into this hole. Annual cutter. So you can see the different sizes. It's in inch, but that will work in millimeter also, I think. Okay. Yeah, so here's my chain motor build. It's in the middle of the project now, and but I will finish it soon, I think. But let's test the magnet drill and see if it will stick to some metal. Yeah, I got this in a European standard, and you can also get it in your country's electrical standard plugs. Haha, it really stick to it. But you gotta make sure to strap it down with this strap. If the power goes away, then this will fall, and so make sure to strap this somewhere so it won't fall. So here we have the mini loader that I built several years ago, and I have always wanted to have some hooks into these forks ends so I could lift some engine block or something with the forks. And to get that, I want to drill some holes in the ends of the forks, and that's really nice now when I have the mag drill. So let's test out the mag drill and see if it will stick to the forks and make a good hole there. Yeah, I have these hooks, 16 millimeter, so I will drill a hole so I can connect these with a nut from the other side. Okay. On. Yes, it sticked really good. Yeah, I have this drill bit here, the annual cutter, and this is 17 millimeter, and the hooks they were 16, so this will be just fine. Okay, so engage that magnet, check your center, and here's on and off. Let's try to adjust the speed. It sounds like my grandmother's cream mixer. This left here so it won't drill, so you have to remind to remove that. Yeah, now I can use those to lift something with some straps or chains. Yeah, guys, a good feature about this, you can reverse this shaft. So then remove that locking washer and stick this axle into that end. So then you can, if you want to drill in a tight space, you can pull this out and swap the side and use it still. So that's a really nice feature. Yeah, as I said, and as you know, I'm building a chain mulcher, and here I'm installing a gearbox, this gearbox, and it's going to be bolted onto this plate. And I already pressed that in the edge press, and but I think it would be better to drill the holes here in the middle, 4 holes, before I bend this last piece here. So I need to mark the holes, and then I will try to use that mag drill to drill the holes here. I really love this machine, it's so handy. It would be a waste of money to buy €1,000 worth of machine when you can buy this for 200. So yes, that was a successful drill or drilling. So now I can bend this sheet in the press and weld it there. Okay, let's try the hole saw. Now we could do that hack job that we could drill a little hole here to get the millings to go down. That went nicely. Yeah. Can see the washer after drilling. Yeah. Thanks for the machine, Vevor. But yeah, guys, it turned out to be a really efficient and good quality machine.